Today, my goal is to save you a lot of time and money by sharing my favorite classical piano music editions. I'm a concert pianist, Steinway artist, and I was a piano performance professor at the University of Utah for 47 years, so I know a thing or two about piano editions. There is a big price difference across editions, and most pianists struggle to know which to buy. It's incredibly important to start a new piece from a reputable edition so you build good habits on the first day of practice with good fingering, tasteful articulations, pedaling, and dynamics. Many editions contain errors and poor articulation markings, so you need to be careful. I created a free PDF for you, linked in the description, that lists my favorite piano editions of the great composers for all the time periods. But please stay with me through this short video because you need to know a little about what types of editions are available and how to choose a good one. You've probably heard the terms Urtext and Henley. I'd like to quickly talk about these and the 4 types of piano editions. First, a facsimile edition is a photo reproduction of a composer's manuscript. These are usually very hard to read. Next is the Urtext edition. Urtext means the original, earliest edition of a work. These usually don't have any editing, meaning added fingering, dynamics, and articulations. Many teachers recommend purchasing the Urtext edition, especially if you're performing in a competition, so you get the composer's original work and avoid being influenced by the editor. It can be difficult to experiment with your own interpretation of a piece when you see slur markings, staccatos, and dynamics marked in the score from an editor. Therefore, if you prefer an edition without any editing, an Urtext edition is the best choice. The most popular Urtext editions are Henley and Bernreiter. Wiener is also well respected. Henley, with the dark blue covers, is usually my recommendations for Urtext editions because they are easy to read, include editor notes, and sometimes fingering. Henley editions are pretty pricey, so if you need a lot of Urtext editions, I recommend that you look into the Henley app for iPad for a more affordable option. The digital scores in the Henley app are cheaper than the print editions, about half price. Critical editions, also known as scholarly editions, analyze a composition and compare versions. They aren't meant for use in performance. Finally, there are performance editions where the editor adds expressive features like dynamics, phrasings, pedaling, and fingering. Performance editions are usually much cheaper to buy than Urtext, but they can be problematic and reflect the editor's personal opinions more than the composer's intentions. However, they can be the most helpful and insightful editions if prepared by a responsible editor who does their research. If you're a self-taught pianist or you're no longer working with a teacher, I think you'll really appreciate my free PDF linked in the description because I've included my favorite performance editions. These editions will help you know how to play the works of the great composers with tasteful fingering, phrasing, and pedaling along with ornamentation. I personally love editions where the added markings are in a different font, color, or size from the composers. This allows you to compare the original work with the suggestions of the editor. For example, I personally like the Alfred editions for Bach because all editing is printed in gray and Bach's original work is in black. The Alfred editions are easy to read and helpful in understanding the execution of the ornaments. I have found the very best edition of the Mozart Sonatas to be the Broder edition. It has the editing in parentheses and Mozart's markings in larger text. The edition that I love, and the only edition that I teach out of for Beethoven Sonatas, is the Arthur Schnabel edition. The fingering is very helpful, as well as the pedaling, phrasing, and ornamentation ideas. I love this edition because Schnabel's markings are in smaller print and often have brackets, and Beethoven's markings are in large print. Most people recommend the Polish National Edition for Chopin instead of Urtext. I personally like the Paderewski published by PWM. This edition is based primarily on Chopin's original manuscripts, copies approved by him, and first editions. This is what is tricky about Chopin's music. Chopin worked with as many as 3 separate publishers for each piece or collection because of the copyright laws of the time. There are often 3 different first editions of each work. Chopin edited them separately, and at times he did some revisions in the process. If you notice strange notes or chords, you may want to refer to another edition of a piece to compare. If you want more recommendations for piano editions that I love, and you're interested in hearing short excerpts of my students' favorite classical piano pieces, join me in this next video.